Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Harley Fat Boy. It's funny, I wanted to record this video and do this package, opening of this package, and it's just funny that I'm actually wearing this flannel. It's official, I'm addicted. Look, Dixxon can be a little pricey. I will tell you that these flannels are extremely comfortable. I'm a fat guy, and comfort is something that's really hard for me to find when it comes to clothing, shoes, helmets, gloves, condoms. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm addicted. It's official. Shout out to Dixxon, man. They make a great product. There's a lot of different flannel companies out there. I have not tried them. Dixxon is the only one that I've really have tried, and I refuse to try any other because, I mean, why get addicted to another brand? I don't know. But look, I try and wait for the sales, and I do a pretty good job of doing that. I'm super bummed I missed out on a really great Memorial Day sale. Was just a little too late on that. But shout out to their team. I remember I did a video, last year and was giving them crap about, not getting stickers with the flannels because I'm an idiot. So if for whatever reason the owner of Dixxon or anybody from the Dixxon team, I apologize. But huge shout out to you guys. You're doing a great job. So mahalo for all the love and support you guys show the motorcycle community and just humans as a whole. You guys are doing great. But I don't even know what I got. So here it is. Let's open it up. Another always well packaged. They always got cool design on their packaging, and I'm a sucker for cool looking things. But it's funny. I was saying, I don't know if I need every other color or what's going on, but the one I'm wearing is dark blue. This one's like a light blue, so you can see it. Man, I'm super stoked. What do we got? What do we even got? Ooh, the Kramer. Yee! I'm a huge fan of Seinfeld. When I was younger, that show was airing. I missed out on a lot of shows just because I was always busy either doing sports or working or whatever. But I love Kramer. I think he made that show. No offense to Jerry and, the rest of that cast, but Kramer was just out of this world, man. Guy was nuts, insane. A little like me, kind of. A little psycho, a little creepy. But I had to get this. It didn't matter it could have been pink. I would have gotten it because it was, it's a Kramer edition. So super stoked. But I real quick want to just give a shout out to, I forget her name. She helped me. I made a phone call there to them not long ago because they have the snap-on button style. And for whatever reason, they do run a little bit smaller than just your standard old school button style one. So I probably will no longer, unless I lose about 10, 15, 20 pounds, I'll stick to the standard button style ones because they fit perfectly. I'm wearing this right now. It's a 3X. Oh, I'm not ashamed to say my size, but absolutely love this bad boy. But yeah, so for not necessarily the cold season during the winter time, because sometimes here in Oregon, like right now, it's like 60 degrees out. It was 85 today. But right now it's about 9:30, close to 10, 9:30, 9:33 to be exact. And it's nice and cool out. So I had the garage door open and threw this on. And now I'm almost starting to sweat because it's been closed for a little bit. But yeah, absolutely love these bad boys. I'm already a fat guy, so it doesn't take too much to keep me warm. But when I'm riding and it's decent, cool outside, I just don't like to wear a lot of gear. I'm a fat guy already, so I have motorcycle jackets and vests and whatnot, but sometimes I'll do the flannel and rock the vest and this, that, and the other. But, I really believe in my riding skills. I just don't trust the people on the road here in Oregon. But these are perfect, man. If you're looking for something that's, comfortable and that'll keep you a little bit, warm during, cooler, times throughout the days or nights or whatever, look no further, man. Check them out. They always have sales going. on these flannels, and they also got short sleeves. They got regular t-shirts. They got hoodies. They got masks. They got all kinds of stuff. So definitely check them out. Go check out their website. I'll put all the info in the description below. But again, shout out to Dixxon and their team. Yeah, let's start with the Kramer. My wife's probably irritated with me, but you know, what are you guys rocking? Like, what do you guys do? Do you guys like flannels? Because I know a lot of people, a lot of my friends that ride that are in SoCal and NorCal, in Cal in general, sport these flannels, sport Dixxon. So what are you guys wearing? Are you guys more of like the, you know, the typical motorcycle jacket, vest, you know, whatever? Like, what are you guys doing to kind of stay comfortable and semi-safe when you're out there riding? Like, what are you guys dressing up in? Let me know, because obviously people, not everyone rides, you know, cruisers, you know, Harleys and Indians and whatnot. Some people ride those fast bikes. I started on a Suzuki Bandit, and it's funny to think about it, but I highly doubt I'd be wearing a Dixxon flannel while riding a Suzuki Bandit. But, you know, that's neither here nor there, or however that goes. But yeah, loving this bad boy. Anyway, so this is actually the sticker. So this is on the pocket part of the flannel. So just take that off, and you just gotta just peel that off. But there's your sticker. Super stoked. I know exactly where I'm gonna put Kramer. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, they always do a great job, man, packing these bad boys. This is sick. I like it. It's got like black, gray, white, light gray, a little bit of red lining action going on. Whee! I love it. Awesome. So sick. And this one is port side. Love this one. So this one is, both of these were on sale. So that's like my excuse to my wife. They were on sale though, babe. Yeah. Oh man, these are killer. This is a killer one. So anyway, is it just me? Is there anyone else out there addicted to flannel, let alone Dixxon? Or is it just me? It's just me, huh? Well, whatever. I have a problem. Look, the way I look at it, I'm saving money on not drinking as much as I used to. So all that alcohol that I'm no longer drinking is now going to my new addiction, to Dixxon. Chee! All right, the port side. I just love it, man. The material is just so sick. I love it, man. That tag right there. Yes. Love it. It's a nice blue, man. Let me get my sticker off. You like it? Anyway, love my stickers. I don't know what it is with men and their stickers, but I got a lot of them. All over my tool chest, all over my fridge, all over my garage. It's weird like that. Anyways, just a quick video. Just want to share these bad boys. But hit up Dixxon, man. I really do. Like I said, I'm a fat guy, and it takes a lot to. I usually can't order stuff online, especially like shoes and like stuff like this. You know, jackets and vest, flannel, long sleeve, any of that stuff. I got to try this stuff on because, again, I'm a fat guy, so it takes some. I just hate having to return stuff. So I actually scored the first time I ever ordered Dixxon. I got the right one, and then when I started ordering the snap-on, the snap style buttons, I started to realize that those were running a little bit smaller. So now I'll just stay away from those for a little bit. But either way, both they are made really well, and absolutely love them. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, just a quick video. Just wanted to share that. But again, in the comments, let me know, what do you guys like, when I ride, like I'm trying to be comfortable. Like, what are you guys doing, to stay comfortable head to toe, from your helmets to your clothing to your shoes, and all that stuff, especially if you're out there motovlogging. Like, what are you, what are you doing to just stay in that comfort zone to be able to ride safe? Because that's my thing. I can't be in a tight shirt or vest or jacket and trying to ride, or have thick gloves on when I'm trying to ride either, because it just kind of hinders a lot of different things. But it may sound silly, but if you're down for it, drop some info in the comments, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling, what you're thinking. Some feedback, would really appreciate it. But again, go check out Dixxon. Dixxon, appreciate you guys. Thank you. Keep killing it, man. You guys are slaying it, coming out with a great product and all the different designs and whatnot. So appreciate you guys. But till the next one, you guys know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread Aloha, people, because we need it. Fat Boy out. Boom bong.